make Westbrook fit in LA?
No. You know, a year ago, a lot of people dogged Doc Rivers for saying something about Ben Simmons at the end of the previous season, basically in his exit interview, when he was asked about whether he could be a point guard of a championship team. And I think he said, "I don't know." And he was heavily criticized for that. That was a fair and honest assessment. I don't think enough people talk about this Russell Westbrook exit interview, because what Russ said, and that was just a couple of parts of it, he went on for 20 minutes, was borderline delusional. And basically what Russ did at the end of that Lakers season was take no personal accountability for the way the season went down and blamed most of it on his coach, Frank Vogel, for not setting things up and in defining things more for him to be successful. And then he partially blamed it on LeBron and Anthony Davis too, where he said that they didn't change their games when Russell himself changed almost nothing. And so to listen to someone talk like that, when I heard that press conference, I remember saying, oh my God, like, this guy never had any intention of changing his game and has no intention of changing his game.